What's up guys, FPV here, and today I finally got my December 2020 FPV crate. It came a little later this month. I believe there was a lot of delays with shipping and USPS and all that stuff. But without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this month's box. If you don't already know what FPV crate is, it's pretty much like a monthly subscription box that you get various FPV related items in. It can be parts like ESCs, flight controllers, frames, you name it, you can get it. So let's go ahead and open up this month's box and see exactly what we got. Right, so let's put this to the side here. So we got some Drone Alone stickers with Santa Claus wearing some, looks like Fat Shark goggles. I hope it's a FPV drone. Cool. I like the stickers. And then we also got, looks like 10% off QAV sale. Offer expires January 30th, 2021. So if you want to use, I think, my code, which will be QAV sale, go ahead and use it. Got some of this wrap out of here. Now, it looks like we got ourselves a camera here, a Caddx Retel 2. Nice. I think I have a few of these already. But yeah, that's cool. And then also, looks like we got a VTX. We got a Xylo Stax 5.8 gigahertz FPV video transmitter, 25 to 600 milliwatts. Let's take it out of the package and take a little closer look at it. So yeah, it's a real tiny little stack there. It goes in a 30 by 30. Always be used. I can definitely use a VTX. I don't think I have any. I think I've used all of mine. And then also we got, looks like 3 sets of props. We got HQ, let's see here, 5.1 by 2.5 by 3 T-style motor. I'm not sure what I would put that on. And then also we got ourselves a Lumineer Axis stubby. Cool. So yeah, so that's pretty much this month's box. If you're interested in picking up one of these boxes, I'll be leaving a link. It is an affiliate link. It does help support the channel, help support me to get one of these boxes every month. I think you can actually purchase individual boxes as well from FPVCRATE, as long as they have them in stock. But this is FPV, and if you're interested in future videos, go ahead and subscribe, like, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.